exactly how I'm gonna go from 0 to 10K by building an agency that does consulting and AI automations. Hi, I'm Kaleo, and for the past 2 years, I've been using AI and no-code tools in order to automate tasks in my business and save time. By the end of this video, I promise you're gonna have a fully optimized Upwork profile ready to go. This is going to be your and my first step in order to start landing some clients, in order to get some experience in as well, and start our freelancing journey. Before I'm gonna get into creating our Upwork profile, first, I wanna talk why we're gonna go through this route as a first step. One, I want to get straight into making money. If you have asked me 2 years ago when I started my business, I would say I will sit down, plan everything, find my ideal customer, write everything down about the business and so forth. Now I would say I want to get directly into having some experience, which I already do, but I want to have experience with clients, not only on my projects and the solutions I provide for me. And secondly, we are choosing Upwork over other platforms because I think it's a little bit more easy and has more users than most of the other platforms, except maybe freelancer.com, but maybe we're gonna try that one as well. And I have said before that even if you don't have an agency, if you don't have a skill, you don't know what to do, let's find it together. Let's go through my thinking process of how I found my skill that's gonna take me from 0 to 10,000, okay? I ask myself these 4 things, okay? What, who, why, and how.
Very good.
This is the framework. So what is the problem that I'm solving? I'm solving a problem for people that don't have the time or knowledge to install AI automations or AI in their business. That causes them time consuming operations. So they have time consuming operations in their business, in their life, that is consuming time. To who? To entrepreneurs, okay, small to medium size businesses, and freelancers or coaches and so forth. Why? Because we want to save time. That's my why. That's the whole reason I work and I have my business. I really like saving time with people. Your why could be I want to make money. I want to book you clients. I want to, I don't know, create something cool for you. Your why can be different, okay? And how, in my occasion, I'm using AI automations.
Okay.
With Make.com, NAN, Zapier, and so forth. So that's my thinking process of how we're gonna find a skill that's gonna solve all these 4 key points. Let's jump into creating our account. I was recording for a while and I realized that I wasn't recording my screen, so I'm gonna redo everything before, because I reached a certain point. So let's get started pretty much. It's asking us if we have experience. We do have some experience as a freelancer to make our main income. Why not? And how would you like to work? I selected both. I would like both opportunities to like apply for jobs and pretty much people to find me over with my, I do have a LinkedIn account that I could connect, but in this case, I'm gonna connect it manually. As you see, it was pre-selected over here. I went to web, mobile, to pretty much AI apps and integrations and web development. I do have some knowledge over creating a website, but nothing fancy, let's be honest. Okay. So I got to this point and I was thinking, maybe we actually go check out some accounts. Let's type AI automations, find an account that makes a lot of money, just copy them. Why would we do that? Because I believe success is repeatable, and if you find an account that you pretty much like, and resonates with you, we could do absolutely the same, and maybe we can get some results for ourselves. So actually, this guy is not bad. So let me check. So he's an elite AI engineer, AI agents, chatbots, and RAG. RAG is pretty much databases and so forth. And I'm not mistaken, I kind of use it, but I don't really know the full explanation. So not a bad idea to set it up like that. Maybe we copy this and we pretty much go like this. I will just not put AI engineer, AI agents, AI automations, RAG, AI chatbots. We can put AI chatbots. Why not? So if you have relevant work experience, add it here to their profile. Wisely at work, but if you're starting out, you can still create. So let me skip this for now, and I will come back to you if I updated this. Kind of like, no, add your education here. I really don't want to add my education. I don't know if it's going to affect my profile, to be honest, if not adding my education, because I don't have any anyways. I'm fluent, I believe, in English. So you can continue on that. Great, now write a bio to tell them the world about you. How about we use AI for that? So let's go maybe to chat, open AI. Let's create a new profile. Create me description for Upwork based on all the memory you have about me. I have memory open on pretty much ChatGPT, so I believe it will kick in something. So you see, it pretty much created something already based on what he already knows about me. Not bad at all. I mean, look at this. I have no idea you know so much about me. So make it AI automation related, since I'm only going to work for that. I don't know. Let's check it. Actually, I like this. I like this a lot. Can we go back and change it? Let's go back and change it. Let's go back and change it. Like, really simple. AI automation specialist, any expert, workflow optimization. I believe I'm a better make.com expert, workflow optimization. And I will add maybe workloads, maybe AI agents. I do know agents. So I like how it's set up, actually. Skip for now, next. And let's go back and copy this. So do I write only this? So yeah, by the way, my name is Lefteris Kalergis, so that's why I have it Kalel. So we pretty much did this. And my automation experience using streaming tools like NAN, ChatGPT, and AI-driven workflows. I will put here make.com, and Zapier, even though I'm not that good with Zapier. And AI-driven workflows. And I help businesses automate repetitive tasks, improve efficiency, and save time by implementing custom AI solutions. This is actually perfect. This is perfect. Wait a minute. I see here he has some things like that. Can we add it as well? I will add this. Let's go and add this part as well. Oh, wait. You see, I'm absolutely noob. I don't know about these things. So it's my first absolutely time that I'm doing an Upwork profile. I guess I can add that too, huh? Okay. So let's read it through and proofread it pretty much. Business process optimization, automate lead generation, customer support, data entry, and more. That's true. That's exactly what we're doing. Any workflow development, build and optimize workflows that connect multiple apps, database, and APIs. Correct. AI chatbots, virtual assistants, set up smart systems for Instagram, WhatsApp, Telegram, an email that remember past conversations. Exactly. Social media marketing automation, implementation, AI-powered content scheduling, audience engagement, and lead nurturing systems. Exactly. Actually, that's what I'm doing. Custom AI solutions, tailored automation, strategies, featuring. Yep, this is what I'm looking to do. All right, let's see why you choose me. Efficiency first. Actually, the one thing I don't like about AI is they add emojis, and that's actually something that I believe gives it away that is AI written. So let's remove the emojis. So why choose me? Efficiency first. I create automations that reduce manual work and increase productivity. AI plus human touch. I design AI workflows that feel natural and improve customer interactions. Seamless integrations. I connect tools like Zapier, OpenAI, Google Sheets, and CRMs and messaging platforms. Not bad, not bad. Scalable, cost-effective. My automations help businesses save thousands on labor and software costs. I prefer to write saves thousands of hours, but we will leave it like that. Maybe actually thousands saves ton of time and software cost. That's more true, I believe. I don't know about if it saves cost. I believe it does save cost. I mean, I run my business by myself almost, and I will hire soon someone to run the operations. But yeah, so let's get to the 9th step. So now let's get your hourly rate. Hourly total amount of clients we'll see. I believe I will set it to 55. So 49.50 will. It's a good price. So, date of birth, we are born at March 1998. Apply. 16. We are from Cyprus. I will add my business. Intercity, Limassol, state provenance. Wait, it is Limassol. Limassol 3075. I don't know if I'm gonna include this, but why not? I mean, this is public information. Actually, let me add. And let's upload a picture. So uploading a good picture, I think, goes a long way, and I'm gonna send one from my phone to the computer. So I have one over here. There you go. I don't know, maybe zoom a little bit. There you go. We look like a professional. That's it. All right. Let's review our profile. That's it. AI specialist, make.com expert, AI agents. Hi, la 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 la. Can we add more now? Like AI agent development. You see, now we're talking. Can we remove this? AI automations. Task automation. Make.com. NAN. Workflow. Let's see, optimization. That's right. AI consulting. That's easy. Let's see. Let's add this first and let's see how it goes. So I might fill this out in the future, but I didn't want to waste time on my work history and education. And let's submit our profile. Hey, Khalil from the future. I wanted to include this update. It's been 2 weeks since I recorded the first part, and I've been sick for 1 week. I didn't have the time to edit for the other week. And also, it's gonna be a realistic approach towards, let's say, if you work your 9 to 5. In my case, I work my business, but you're not gonna have all the time over the world to put into Upwork to get some work done or some automations done. But doesn't mean I'm not practicing on the back end. I mean, I don't do things for my own business, and I will upload different updates and automations to things that I use personally. And it's gonna be a true way of someone that, let's say, does this for after your 9 to 5, let's say from 5 to 7, if you would sit down for 2 hours to find some gigs. So I did change my profile a little bit. I want to go back and show you the changes I have made. I didn't change much in terms of the bio. I'm gonna quickly scroll through so you can see if anything was different. I don't really remember. I did change the price and I made it a little bit more weird. And I did include a video, which I'm just saying who I am, what I do. It's pretty much my bio, just a different way of for people to see that I'm a real person. Now, I don't remember if I changed anything else. And as you can see, no, I didn't add much. I just added my past history when what I have to do with work. And I will honestly tell you how much I have spent and what the results I have got in the past 2 weeks, because I did apply to a couple jobs. So as you can see, I did subscribe to, let's say, to the monthly, what you call it, Freelancer Plus, which you get some connects per month, that's 24 pretty much dollars. And then I did get some extra connects. And a thing that I was saying over here, probably on the first part, was that how Upwork works. You have a certain amount of bids, let's say connects. In order for you to apply for a job, or if you want to increase your chances to be viewed, you have to like bet. And that is a thing. For 10 is $1.50, and for, let's say, 100 is 15 plus tax. So as you can see here, I already have over here, I already had around 200, I believe, connects, and I invested around $41.50, and then I got another 200 because I saw a really good gig, which I will show you the results, how it's going right now. So another 35 and a half almost. So we're looking around, let's say, $72 invested into just for people to see my gigs, to see my applications. So in terms of results, we have applied to 9, and we got viewed by 3, and we got text by 1. That one is really slow. As you can see, it's 2 weeks ago. It was the first almost week that I did the thing. I sat down the next night and I applied to some jobs. And it's really slow. The guy is not replying much. I'm being transparent because I'm not here to present myself as an expert. I'm here to show you the journey. And because a lot of people, I believe, they show how much they have made already, and no one starts from zero, and showcase you the true hard path of how things are. So at the same time, I think I'm doing something wrong, and I will go through on the next video, which I'm going to update you to show you my previous proposals, how I structure them, and what I'm going to do from now on in order to improve this. And if we get any gigs done, I will invest more, because the point is, as I was saying, from to the part that I'm not going to include into this, is that when you have, let's say, ads on a business, I run ads for my business, and I run them around $150, let's say, per month. That's what brings me in leads. And my responsibility as a business is to close them, depending on the quality I have and the website and so forth. In this case, the only thing you have is what the message, your picture, and whatever else you're going to include, and your past experience. In this case, we have absolutely none past experience do we have to showcase in Upwork. We are absolutely new. And it's going to be much harder for you because you're competing versus people that have, let's say, I don't know if I can check it right now. Automation. You're competing versus people that have a ton more work done. And when someone sees a profile that has, let's say, 100% job success, 80K earned, and looks like this, it's gonna be hard to compete. Of course, as a owner as well of a business, I will tell you, I highly prefer to get someone that has already the experience done and already worked with someone. That means he can deliver. And maybe I'm priced on the high end. Maybe that also puts people off. And maybe I will try different strategies. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm going to try different strategies, lowering the price, and try to get lower paid gigs in order to start the account, at least to get 1-2 jobs in to show that I have some experience. And maybe in the next few videos, I'm also going to include different strategies that I'm going to do. As you're going to see automations that have to do with lead generation. And that's the first thing you're going to do as a business. When you have your product and your solution, you now need to bring clients in, and you need to have a door, a storefront. And in this case, we don't. The only thing we have is an Upwork profile and a LinkedIn profile, which I just optimized yesterday to present myself as an automation, let's say, person. And pretty much here it is, as you can see here. This is public information, by the way. You can check it. I don't like have something to hide. So as you can see here, I just updated yesterday that it looks like that. And maybe if you have a stronger LinkedIn profile, maybe it's a better approach to start like approaching solopreneurs or something like that. Manually DMing, try to get into their DMs, try to find their emails and text them if you have the time. And if you have a strong profile, because if you have absolutely zero connections, zero followers, that means that's someone that's gonna check your profile. If you don't have a nice profile, you don't have a nice banner, the chances of you getting viewed is much, much less. So yeah, that's what I want to pretty much update you on, that we have absolutely zero progress for the past 2 weeks. We just got some views in our profile. We did get some one response. Yeah, let me go back to the past me. So don't forget to subscribe, to follow the journey, tag along with me in order to explore this way of pretty much making money and doing our first steps in order to find work. And on the next video, we're gonna go more in detail.